Good afternoon here. I am your meteorologist Joe Toth here, and this is the New Jersey weather on this Wednesday, January 22nd at 4:47 p.m. And here's what's happening. In the weather headlines today, we will have very cold weather to continue in the next several days, and we will be looking at the potential of some snow on Saturday and again on Monday. So a couple of snow threats still continue. Even after this snowstorm, there's still more to come. And here are the current conditions across the state. As you can see, temperatures across the state are generally in the low teens to the north part of the state, and mid to upper teens as you head down to central and southern portions of the state. So all in all, it's a very cold day, and you expect very cold temperatures as we head on to tonight. Let's look at the current surface map here. And you can see here, if you look over here, we have a very strong area of low pressure here, and this was the low pressure area that produced heavy snow across this area of 6 to 12 inches statewide, along with isolated amounts toward the shore of up to 16 inches of snow. So that was a pretty impressive storm, but it could have been a lot worse, but the storm just developed too far out to sea here, so the worst of it stayed offshore. So now we have the break over here, as you can see, and clear skies here. But as we head on into tonight and to tomorrow, we're going to see clouds increase because this area of disturbance here, it's a weak area. It's going to move to the southeast here towards the area, so we'll have cloudy skies tomorrow, and you will see in the forecast there's a chance of flurries. And the biggest part of the storm is not in the frame here as of yet, but that will be the next maker to produce the possibility of some light snowfall on Saturday. So something we'll keep an eye on. And here's the current surface radar here that we're showing you for the state of New Jersey, and you can see here, pretty much the state here is very quiet right now, and will continue to be quiet as we head on into tonight. And here we will have the weather analysis and discussion part, and we will use one of the forecasts here using the GFS here, so bear with me here as we move with the GFS. This is usually the most meteorologists use, either the GFS or the European. Those are the two top models to use in forecasting storm systems in advance. So bear with me here. This is the 18Z. Let's look at the 12Z. And you can see here's the storm system that to the right. Down there you can see 984 all the way down here. And as we move on, and you can see that area of disturbance across the lakes here, and you can see it diving towards the area tomorrow. So we will see cloudy skies with just a chance of flurries here. And as this moves on out, here comes that area of disturbed weather. You can see right up over here, there's that 980 right there. That's going to move down with a cold front here on Saturday. And you can see as we head on into Saturday here comes the potential of some light snowfall here Saturday afternoon. And after that front, you can see we get very cold again. And look what's coming down to the south here. You see that clipper right there? This is the potential that we have to look out for on Monday. So as we keep on moving here, you can see this clipper here. The last run showed it going to our south here, but even with this track, we would still see a chance of snow showers or flurries here. But here's the key here. Today is only Wednesday, so a lot can change here. You move this down to about Virginia here on this track. If it goes across Virginia and Delmarva coast, you can see light to moderate snowfall on Monday. So this is a storm that we have to keep an eye on here. And right after that system, as you can see, as we head on towards the end of the month, very cold temperatures. And into February, we will see what happens here. But right now, as you can see, things look very cold. And here is your 3-day weather forecast here. And as we go on through the evening here, as I can zoom out real, if you don't mind here, I hope everybody can see. There you go. As we go through this evening, we will have mostly sunny skies and very cold temperatures through the evening, with temperatures in the single digits across the north, teens across the central and southern portions of the state. And as we move on into tonight, we will have clear skies early, then increasing clouds late, lows in the single digits to below zero across central and northern sections of the state. The only reason why we think that could be below zero is if we have clear skies and calm winds, these temperatures could really drop before increasing as the clouds come in, especially with the snowpack in place. And you can see as we go into the south here, temperatures will be in the single digits, along with teens along the coast. And for your Thursday, we will have mostly cloudy here with a chance of flurries. Highs will be in the upper teens across the north part of the state, mid-20s across the central and southern portions of the state. And for your Thursday night, we have a chance of flurries early in the evening. Otherwise, we'll have partly cloudy skies, lows in the single digits to lower teens across the state. And for your Friday, mostly sunny skies and continued cold temperatures, upper teens to low 20s across the state. And yes, for your Saturday here, become mostly cloudy here with a chance of light snow or flurries, highs in the mid-20s across the north, low to mid-30s across the south. This is your meteorologist Joe Toth here. I'll talk to you soon.